Remove the 2 screws on the back of the machine. Secure the handpiece bracket to the machine with screws. Install the side bracket, with the small holes facing the front of the machine. Align the holes on the side bracket with the screws. On the machine, push it backward to secure the handpiece in place. Tighten the screws to secure the bracket. The installation method for the other side is the same. Vacuum Bipolar RF head. Cold hammer. .40 kHz cavitation head. Body RF. Face RF. Laser lipolysis. Align the handpiece with the port on the machine and push it in firmly. Connect the handpiece to the corresponding port on the machine. After inserting securely, tighten it. Place the handpiece onto the bracket. Connect the power supply and turn on the switch.